Instagram is testing the ability to create posts using the web browser on a desktop computer. The feature was spotted by social media consultant Matt Navarra, who captured some screenshots demonstrating the functionality. Facebook confirmed the test in a statement to Bloomberg. "We know that many people access Instagram from their computer," spokesperson Christine Pai said. "To improve that experience, we're now testing the ability to create a feed post on Instagram with their desktop browser." Navarra's screenshots show that you're able to select aspect ratios, apply built-in filters, and use basic editing parameters within the browser. The feature isn't appearing for everyone yet, but it's highlighted in the top right of the screen with a message saying now you can create and share posts directly from your computer, suggesting Instagram is serious about a broader rollout. Instagram has been historically slow to implement features on its web app, particularly on desktops. Direct messaging only became available last year, for example. But social media professionals who use Instagram as part of their daily workflow have had to resort to third-party tools to create posts on desktops, showing that some use cases don't necessarily benefit from a mobile-only approach.